Good day everyone. So for today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to do a maintenance start on the emergency generator. So let's start. So I'll click Shift F1, click Shift F1 to run. Then that's what I've observed. So we have low level alarms.
You have only 15 minutes to fulfill the assessments.
Okay, so I'll top up diesel oil, I'll top up lube oil, and then I'll also going to top up the expansion tank, the radiator. Easy. So we also have here low voltage, so I'm going to put this one in. I'm going to go back to the emergency generator and then close this valve, then close also this valve and also this valve to close. Okay, so we already have enough diesel oil, lube oil and water, and easy our battery is going to increasing. It's increasing already. So we have a malfunction. Okay, starter motor failure. I'm going to acknowledge this one, double click. So now it's rectified. I'm going to the panel directory. I'm going to check here for the alarms, acknowledge for the auto chief, and this should turn to be acknowledged. This one, generators in a sequential request. I'll go also to the bridge control, then I'll reset the loss of response. Okay, so we already have two remaining alarms, the 19 and 20. So I'll go back to the emergency generator. So this one will take some time, so I will just simulate this one because we have a limited time. I will adjust. So as of now, the alarm set point is 20, so I'll just put this one up to 20. This one also to 21. Okay. Now I'm going to close. So we already have enough voltage. So I'll go to the electrical power plant and going to switch on the voltage control. So this should indicate here 15. Okay, now easy. Let's go to the emergency generator once again, and I'm going to switch hand pump on, or I will just do manual hand pump. Yeah, so now I'm pumping. So normally it should be around 200 bars. So at 200 bars I will stop my pumping. And this one, this is a low level alarm of our diesel oil day tank. This will be topped up when our emergency generator is already running, because these are shaft driven pumps. So if the emergency generator is already running, this transfer pump or lift pump for the diesel oil will also run, and from here diesel oil will go to the diesel oil day tank. Okay, easy, and then almost there. Almost 200 bars. Okay, now it's 200 bars, so I'll stop doing the hand pump, and I think we are ready for the hydraulic start of our emergency generator. So to start hydraulically, I will click start. Okay, now our emergency generator is now running. So as you notice, the alarm already disappeared, and we already have a increasing level of diesel oil tank. So from here, service tank, then it will go to our daily tank for diesel oil. So normally we started about 4 minutes and 30 seconds, so let's just run it for around 1 minute, since this is only a simulation. But in reality, we are starting it hydraulically, testing it for around 30 minutes to 1 hour, yeah, just to make sure that there will be no malfunctions during the operation of our emergency generator. So far so good, we're doing fine. After this one, we're going to start the emergency generator uh, with the use of our battery. So let's just finish this hydraulic start. So far so good, no alarms. Okay, 1 minute already passed. So I will now stop our emergency generator. Easy, easy, our emergency generator is stopping. As you can see, there is a decrease in the RPM. Okay, so our emergency generator is now fully stopped. So I will now start it with the use of the battery. So to do a battery start, just click start button. Then your emergency generator should start. There is already an increase in RPM. Okay, so far so good. I think that's it. We've already passed the exercise. We've done the topping up of our diesel oil, our lube oil, some tank, an expansion tank, and we've rectified some malfunction alarms on our emergency generator. And then we've managed to test it on hydraulically starting, and everything was fine. And now, so far, we've done also a battery start, and nothing is abnormal. So that's it. We're just going to maintain this one, and I hope that you learn. That's it. Thanks.